Hey guys! Are you want to buy best jack stands? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best jack stands that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Torin Big Red Steel Jack Stands. Lightweight and crafted from steel, these Torin stands are a solid choice for anyone in the market for jack stands. These handy 6-ton jack stands should satisfy almost anyone's needs. They provide good support in an adjustable height ranging from 15-3/8 to 23-13/16 inch, which gives ample room for you to work. The Torin bears a large saddle, which is the piece that comes into contact with your car. This provides a large amount of surface area in contact with your vehicle. There's no need to worry about your car slipping. The heavy-duty sawtooth design on the ratchet bar allows you to make a height adjustment quickly and feel confident that the jack stand is locked securely in place. With the Torin line of products, quality is guaranteed. There are expert welds as well as a sturdy steel frame that you can rely on. The Torin is a perfect companion for most vehicles. Reliable and a great all-rounder, the Torin jack stands also provide great support, a nice weight limit, sound construction, and are easy to use. This is easily one of the best jack stands available for the most any car. Now our second product is Camco Olympian Stack Jacks. This is our pick for the best value, and with good reason. You can purchase the Camco jack stands in either a 2 or 4 pack to suit your needs. This handy little jack stand is highly portable and one of the best options if you're looking for a solid jack stand for a sensible price. It provides 3 tons of carrying capacity per jack and a simple, easy-to-use screwing lift system. Meant to stabilize more than lift, these stands are perfect for adding extra support to any vehicle while working on it, or in the case of a recreational vehicle, to stabilize it adequately while moving about the cabin. Great in a pinch and unbeatable for the value, these stack jack stands are a perfect solution to stabilizing a vehicle. This is a great option for adding stability when used with an RV or large truck. No more shaking of the cabin with every movement, thanks to the 3-ton limit per stand. Our third product is Torin Big Red Jack Stands. This is another product by Torin, but this time a highly portable model. It has 3 tons of weight between the two you get. For their size and versatility, it's difficult to find anything better. The Torin aluminum jack stands pack quite the punch for their tiny size, while still providing an adequate lifting range from 10.7 inches to 15.6 inches, enough to get the job done in a pinch. With a weight just a little over 10 pounds, you can't beat the Torin line of products for the sheer convenience of these little wonders. The pin-style locking mechanism provides a means to adjust the height quickly and easily. Lightweight with a lift capacity that is on par with other similar jack stands, these are perfect for bringing with you wherever you go. The small size is incredibly convenient. Between this and other Torin products, you would have everything you need to keep your car lifted while at home or on the go if needed in a pinch. Now number 4, Powerbilt Black All-Trade All-in-One Bottle Jack. When you need a jack stand that does a little more, turn to Powerbilt's All-in-One model. It offers a lift and a stand in one handy little package, meaning you need to carry around one less thing to accomplish the work that needs to be done. The total weight is a hair over 22 pounds, making it quite portable and perfect for keeping in your vehicle, so it's a handy all-in-one jack stand right there whenever you might need it. It comes with a default adjustable height between 11 and 17.25 inches that can be manually adjusted to a maximum height of 21 inches if needed. With a couple of different models available, specifically a 2-ton and a 3-ton model, you can choose one that suits your needs, and then you're good to go. Of course, an all-in-one device is super convenient and great to have around. Not only that, but its weight is quite insubstantial, making it easy to carry anywhere you might need it. And our last choice is Cartman 3-ton jack stands. A nice alternative to Torin is the Cartman 3-ton jack stands. Although a bit bulkier at about 12 pounds, they are slightly more affordable and offer a similar weight capacity and a nice, curved saddle to rest on and support the axle of your car. With multiple buying options, including a 2-ton model for when you're working with a lighter car or vehicle, as well as a 6-ton model for when the opposite is true. It's quite a versatile and handy option as far as car jack stands go. Crafted from steel and utilizing a ratchet bar to hold it locked into position, this jack stand is a great value for the quality you get. Reliable and offering multiple options for weight capacity, these jack stands have a lot to offer at a sensible cost. They are safe and reliable, as well. Compared to the above-mentioned Touran, they have some similar features as well as a lower price point. Also, the auto-locking mechanism is quite convenient, as you never need to worry about losing a ratchet key or pin. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.